Not a BMW. Oh, and it's fun. So again, this one has a problem. It's started and running. But however, we do not have this unit does not go into, actually it's a little dead, but our shifter here, as I see, it's stuck in neutral. If we try to push the button here for it to go into the park, you see the dashboard is stuck in neutral. So we can start it. I started, and we're going to try to get this. We see we can put it into drive. See, drive comes on, and we see the D there. We can put it in reverse. See, lock it in reverse. But if we press this unit here, we're supposed to put it back into park. It goes into neutral, does not go into park, and the warning light is on. So we definitely have an error. And if you look at the screen here, I don't know if you can see it, but you see transmission error, lock error. So we're going to diagnose, we're going to scan it, and we're going to see why it is all of this is happening. So here we are, BMW, right? So take the Mechatronic out. We're going to talk about that. Put up our little contraption here. We got underneath here some oil throwaway. But basically, we took out the Mechatronic. Took out the Mechatronic unit. It's stripping. But we're going to clean this up. We have the bolts and then we're going to pack them together. But however, what is happening is that our shifter, because this wasn't going into park if you all can remember, but the shifter solenoid here and our shifter sensor inside of it, if I can see it good, our shifter is the shifter sensor, and we find these little pieces in the sampan, which means that definitely the shift module has been broken, has damaged. So we're going to see what we can do to get that back inside of there. Get that back shifting once again. Yep. Busted filter. Watch the condition. You see the condition of this oil? This oil is, wow. You see? Yeah. Oil going through. Wow.
Not a good thing, right?
Nope. Bad. Watch the condition.
Wow.
I'm transparent. So that's the oil. Let's look and see what's going on underneath here. I have a nice bed underneath here. So I put back up the valve body, and we've mounted the shift unit here. I don't know if you all can see it, but this is
got this filter for $41.
41 for the filter. Wow. And they didn't change that. So this is the shift solenoid here. The shift solenoid here, right? Okay, so let's look at what's going on inside of the vehicle now. Because we have set it. We've deleted the code. But let's see ignition. Right, so it's now saying that it's in park. You can see the P in the middle of the dashboard there. You can see the P, and if you look here, you can see it's in park. So far, look like mission accomplished, but we'll see how it's gonna go.